Morning po. I think a month ago or probably 1.5 months ago, na-feature na po namin ng wife ko to baked peanuts. But I just realized na hindi ko yata na-measure yung blood sugar spike nito. So I'd go ahead and measure it today. 100 grams din lang po para pareho po siya dun sa mga previous peanuts na reviews na ginawa na po natin. So as always, baseline blood sugar po muna tayo. Yan. 113 po yung baseline po natin for today. So I'd go ahead and eat the peanuts. Plain lang po to baked peanuts na plain. 100 grams po. And then I'll be back after an hour. One hour na po, kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Yan. Parang hindi naman gumalaw. 114 po yung first hour po natin. So balik po ulit ako after an hour to get the final blood sugar. Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Yon. Makit pa po ng bahagya. So I think we started at 113 tapos nag 114, now it's 116. So I'm pretty sure pababa na rin naman po yan. At least steady po siya dun sa state na yan. No? So ibig sabihin si 100 grams na peanuts, halos wala. I mean minimal po yung blood sugar spike po niya. So pwede po siyang pang merienda. So yun lang po for this testing, this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.